We are gonna abuse our animals. Not in a bad way though. But someone has got to see this. Dude, here comes June. She's gonna peek again. Oh, come on, they're not doing anything. There we go.
So mean.
You're the one torturing him. That is so funny. Oh my God. Oh, I don't know if I'll post this or not. People are gonna think I'm just out there. These are really cool dogs. We just like to torture them here and there. Well. I have friends like that.
Who's going the wrong way, Brandon?
Look at Jazz. That's the smart one, the white one. She's running. She's running to you now, man. Look at Invisible Dog. Invisible Dog's hiding behind the ball. We don't see her now. She's giving up. She's on to you. She's probably. Oh.
Cheater! You're the cheater!
Oh, that's so funny.
Come on, June, let's go eat.
Come on, Junie. It's okay. Mom won't torture you anymore. We don't know if this one's super intelligent or absolutely crack-potted. I don't think she likes the camera. Okay, guys.